underground Poetics, 6100 Records,
Aerowithadot, Third World Entertainment. Yo, I kick rhymes like karate, mind over body. I ain't played games since I owned an Atari. Sentences I spit are like samurai swords. I wreck it like Ralph with the raps I record. Crunch time, punchline, hit him with the 1-2. Kung Fu, the art of war, bars where the Sun Tzu. We don't mix like martial arts, I'm off the charts. No love for them fools with the partial hearts. Third world shinobi, ruffian rapper. Clan in the front, got my back coming after. Unseen by the naked eye, you gon' pay the price. I'd rather eat a whack rapper than a plate of rice. Tertiary mercenary, all my verses vary. And if you're a problem, I have my burdens buried. Drunken master, trailing while I'm sipping booze. I cannot lose when it comes down to ninja moves.
We causing you blindness with our smooth ninja moves.
Aming kada hakbang, hindi mo to naramdaman.
Assassinate your clan, you'll end up in the news.
Marahil kada bitaw tumatagos hanggang laman. Mula sa aking talampakan hanggang sa kaloob-looban. Dala ko'y lakas na sadyang pinagkukunan. Nagtiyaga at nag-ipon sa loob ng ilang taon. Mula sa pagkalunod, dahan-dahan na umahon. Hanggang sa nakamit ang pambihira na taglay. Ang husay na ibinigay gamit ang isip at kamay. Dinita ng aking isip, sinulat ang aking kamay. Pagkat sa palad na markadon, bitiin wagas at tunay. Binabalansi kong lahat sa naaayong panahon. Lumipas mamaraming bukas, di kukupas sa paghamon. Kaya tuloy sa paggawa sa natatangi naming hilig. Maubusan man mapaos, mahatid lamang ang tinig ng direkta. Mapakinggan nyo, walang patid sa blind. Di ka samin uubra kung masama dala mong pakay. Kaya ikay maging alerto, magmasid at maganda ka. May dumarating ng kusa, walang ano mang babala.
We causing you blindness with our smooth ninja moves.
Aming kada hakbang, hindi mo to naramdaman.
Assassinate your clan, you'll end up in the news.
Marahil kada bitaw tumatagos hanggang laman.
Coasting with the veterans, moving like a ninja. You thought I was gone, but now your suckers are in danger. Creeping in your area, trained like scout rangers. You started research and realized that I'm no stranger. All wrapped in black and no guns to pack. Flying daggers on the track and a sword on my back. I'm here to wake up all you underestimators. I'm gon' ride on y'all, stomp on y'all like escalators. This ain't a diss song, consider it a warning. I'll be the unseen scheme supreme brainstorming. The night turns to morning, my rhymes are still pouring. I'm on attack mode with unstoppable scoring. I stay discreet when it's time to hit the streets. One false move, my kicks turn to turtle feet. You're lurking in defeat, assassinated in your sleep. Assassin's Creed, my ninja moves you cannot beat. We causing you blindness with our smooth ninja moves.
Aming kada hakbang, hindi mo to naramdaman.
Assassinate your clan, you'll end up in the news.
Marahil kada bitaw tumatagos hanggang laman.
Be one with shadow as I play my role. My mic is the bow and my words are my arrows. You're marked with death by the forces unknown. Hit you with a headshot, landing a killing blow, and to disappear. A ghost amidst the combat. Preparing to strike, you always lose like the bobcats. Deceptions and art always gain the upper hand. Don't get set into one form, be water my friend. Real is the warrior within. You step ahead and depend to wreak havoc in the land once again. My verse will put a curse to whoever disregard the fact that I'm a fucking assassin on this track. Follow through with a backstab and backflip like a Shaolin. My name shall ring to the ears of many men. Stabbing all the elements, hand seals and ninjutsus. The BP's coming through with some smooth ninja moves.
We causing you blindness with our smooth ninja moves.
Aming kada hakbang, hindi mo to naramdaman.
Assassinate your clan, you'll end up in the news.
Marahil kada bitaw tumatagos hanggang laman.